Right. Hi, Devashri. Can't hear you. Devashri, can you hear me? Can you hear me? I can't hear you. You talking, your microphone is on, but I can't hear you. Nope. Can't hear you, man. I don't know lip reading. Do you know sign language? आप फोन यूज कर लीजिए ना. That you're used to that, ना? So why don't you log back in with the phone? हाँ, अब कुछ आ रहा है. हेलो? नहीं. Nope. Merlin Tucker, roll number 13. सर्वेश, मैं ना अभी इसी तरह का जोक मारने वाला था, लेकिन अपने आप को रोक लिया. Why don't you switch on the camera, microphone, something? It'll be nice to talk to you. Sarvesh.
Good afternoon. How are
Hi,
you?
Sarvesh. How are you, man?
I'm very good. Nice to see you.
Yeah, likewise. Likewise. I'm never going to forget this photograph after the long discussion we had. How are you doing?
I'm
You're an
good.
architect, no? You said.
Yes, yes.
Right. Brilliant. What kind of stuff do you work on?
Right from basically project management, but right from residential to hotel, any level, 5-star.
Acha, that sort of stuff you do. Okay.
But also into little of occult now.
Occult and architecture. इसका कुछ मिश्रण है या पर्सनल बात कर रहे हैं?
A long story, but
I'd love to listen to it sometime. Whenever you have a moment, give me a call. I'd love to talk. Right. Where and you're based out of Bombay, you said.
No. I'm currently really in. I'm a Goan by birth,
Achha.
but we are currently in Delhi.
Oh, you're in Delhi, right? Right. Let me send you a message because I have a little bit of a vested interest here. I will tell you all about it. So if you could just send me a message, that's my number. I've sent it to you on Zoom chat.
I will do that.
So I'd love to connect and have a bit of a chat. And of course, talk about your occult thinking. Yeah.
Actually, just to put one liner there,
Ji.
In my experience of 20 years of life, before I got into learning astrology, I realized that none of the astrologers could ever predict about my chart. So I was very surprised, and eventually I had to learn astrology to read my own chart. Okay.
How interesting.
Yes, and that's how I entered astrology. And you will be very surprised. Of course, it's for somebody who really believes in that kind of thing. But there are some charts which are destined, which the astrologer cannot be. Is not. He doesn't have that kind of a divine power or whatever you call it to be able to read somebody's chart, and that's also possible.
Yeah. I hear you, man. I hear you. That's true. Devashri, quick sound check, please.
Hello.
Oh, everyone. Good. I can hear you. I was afraid we don't have to use sign language.
Yeah, so because I was using laptop and that it is having some issues. So
laptop
mobile is much
serial
better.
Number कैसे laptop का serial number देखते हैं उसका कुछ निकलेगा वहां से.
I have to. हो सकता है actually.
You never know. You never know. Just on a lighter note. Yeah, but nice to hear you. So that's all right then. Hey, Richa, you've turned on your camera. Charu's here.
Yes. I was quietly smiling. Then I said, why should I smile quietly? I should smile visibly.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Very well, Devashri. Looking forward. I think I almost missed today's session, but I'm supposed to, I think, attend. So my 4 to 5 got moved to tomorrow.
Oh,
Strange,
thank
no?
you so
So I
much.
quickly enrolled into your session yesterday,
Okay.
saying that I'd like to come in. That's how it is.
Right. We don't have a lot of people now. Let's just wait for a few more minutes. लगभग 4:05 पर लोग आते हैं ना. Which Hindu is this? Okay, I have to be in my best behavior. My wife isn't here. Right. Anyone else with stories or experiences related to numerology? Acha, Dolly is asking, isn't numerology intricately related to architecture? Devashri, something to say there?
Yeah, it is related to property number, but not exactly to architecture. Because, yeah, property is having a number, so indirectly it is.
Right.
Not directly.
Sarvesh, anything to say there? Have you found any links?
I was actually just itching, if you would ask.
Bolina.
Just to put it at a very at a higher plane, if I can say so, there is nothing that is not related. And since I have gone into this subject and I could connect the Bhagavad Gita to astrology, to planets, to numerology. All of them are interconnected. So it's like an onion. Once you start going into it, every layer keeps on opening, and the more you delve into it, you start understanding that you don't know anything. So there's a kind of a attachment and detachment. It's an amazing kind of a feeling, and it's coming from a technical guy. I'll tell you, it's pretty powerful.
In occult science, it is actually like an onion. More deep you go, more things you get to learn. So it's a huge, vast subject.
Right, that is true.
Case of, that I know that I know that I know that I don't know. Something like that.
Right. And it's quite interesting, really. If you look at the onion model, you learn a lot and then you start getting a little more specific and more and more specific in there. लेकिन मेरा कुछ उल्टा हो रहा है. मतलब कि inside me there are so many things to learn. Because of this connection that Sarvesh mentioned, that since so many things are interconnected, you find yourself dabbling or poking into a lot of different methodologies and disciplines to, let's say, completely understand what you're reading. Hey, Seema, how are you? I assume you're saying you're fine and everything's good and it's a lovely day, but your mic is switched off. Now it's on.
Hi देवर्श्री.
Hi.
आपका कैमरा थोड़ा नीचे कर दो तो हम लोग आपका फेस देख पाएंगे.
देवश्री का तो दिख रहा है, मुझे तो दिख रहा है.
नहीं, ऐसे अपर साइड दिख रहा है, फेस नहीं दिख रहा.
I can see from her, almost from her waist to her head and a couple of inches above the head also. It might be something to do with the device you're using, Seema. आप उसकी orientation बदल के देखेंगे?
थोड़ा सा कैमरा नीचे कर दो.
तो और गंदा लगेगा.
नहीं, ऊपर sorry. हाँ, बस now it's perfect.
चलो, as good enough for the rest of us as well. Brilliant. Anybody else having problems seeing Devashri's face? No?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Seema, ठीक है अब?
Yes, absolutely fine.
Right, 3 minutes past 4 and we have 28 folks in here. Would you like to start, Devashri?
I think we should wait for 2 more minutes, then we'll start. It will come to my number then, 459.
All right, fair enough. Okay, spoken like a numerologist.
I always see numbers while posting also. That is insane, but I do.
So she's so cute, Sid. So when she was speaking to me last, she tried her level best to try to convince me that, ma'am, aap apna naam dekhiye. You need to look at it. And I was like quite mule-headed about it. So I didn't give any credence to Devashri.
I learned Akashic Tarot from Richa ma'am.
Achha.
But she's a sweetheart. She tried her level best, then she gave up. She's like, "Ye auntie sunne wali nahi hai."
Because
she
it's not
just
as
let
that
it
the person has to be like कि नहीं मुझे कराना है, then it works.
Correct,
Otherwise,
correct.
it
Yeah,
will not.
absolutely right. Of course, of course. I was quite mule-headed. I have just admitted it. I was not ready to listen. I'm like सुनना ही नहीं है. मैं अपना नाम ही नहीं बदलने वाली, मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है.
वैसे my name is a good one that way. The full name. I can add extra R's, extra T's, extra H, extra A, extra I. बहुत बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा, कोई फाइट नहीं होगी, और फिर भी शॉर्ट फॉर्म यही रहेगा.
So you can add
No
all of
problem.
that here, there, and still remain same.
Right.
You could do
अच्छा,
that.
what number were you waiting for, Devashri?
4, 5.
4,
1
5.
minute to go.
अच्छा, 4, 5. I thought you were saying 45. मैं कहा that might
No,
take
No,
a while.
she's saying 4, 5,
Okay. 4 or 5. All right.
5 p.m. Yeah. 4.0.
All right. Okay, हो गया 4 or 5.
Okay, then let's start.
And it's
hello.
4 or 5, and we're ready to start today. Because 4 or 5 is Devashri's special number, which she believes as a numerologist is, and that's really her domain. So let me just share my screen with you. And if you just give me one moment, I'm sure I have Devashri's presentation here. There it is. I'll just increase the. Okay, just one moment, please. I will just share my screen. All right, guys, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
All right, brilliant. So, Devashri, thank you so much for coming and taking out your time. And we did start at 4 or 5, so please don't give me those looks. कि अभी 4 or 6 हो
ठीक
गए.
है. Even this is my friendly number, so it's fine.
All right, brilliant. So, so thanks for making it. And today, in case those of you who have read the introduction for the event, you'll find that Devashri is going to go through the calculation of various numbers with us. And those numbers, I'll let her tell which numbers those are going to be. So she's going to tell us about 2 numbers, basically, how to calculate those numbers, coming down to a number between 1 and 9. And then she will tell us about those 1 and 9s. What is the significance of those numbers? So over to you, Devashri. Please take it away.
Thank you so much, sir, for having me here. And hello, everyone. Myself, Devashri Thakur. I'm a numerologist, and my brand name is Anka Shastra 9. So, आपको पता है, so today we are talking about numerology. So, what is numerology? Numerology is a study of number. It is an occult science, and it is only and only related to numbers. So, wherever there are numbers, numerology works. Like the day we were born, उस दिन एक date थी. When we went to school, we had a roll number. We are staying in a property, it is also having a number. Office का एक number है, वो mobile is having a number, a bank account is having a number. So we all are surrounded by numbers. Next slide, please, sir. Yeah. So numerology are of many kinds. जैसे Pythagorean numerology होती है, Chaldean होती है, Kabbalah होती है, Vedic numerology होती है. There are many different forms of numerologies. I follow 2 methods. One is Western numerology, another is Loshu. Both the numerology plays a very important role. See, हर एक जब born होता है, they have a date of birth, and all the calculation is done on the date of birth only, because सबकी date of birth it is different. And see, in numerology, सबका एक name होता है and brand name होता है. Like I am Devashri Thakur, so Devashri is having a vibration, and Devashri Thakur is also having a vibration. The first name is always about inner peace, and full name is about popularity. बहुत बार क्या होता है कि इंसान का first name is very good, but popularity portion is missing. At time it happens vice versa. So numerology name correction is very important. And even हमारा brand name होता है, it is also carrying a vibration. So in numerology, that thing has to be very strong. See, there are so many numbers in numerology. Just say there are many good numbers, there are many malefic numbers. So the person who is having a malefic number in the chart, so numerology name correction is very important. Next slide, please. Acha. So we all are ruled by 2 numbers. ठीक है, one is a birth number, another is destiny number. कोई उसे king number कहता है, कोई queen कहता है, कोई driver number कहता है, कोई conductor number कहता है. I like using the word birth number and the destiny number. सो ये दो जो नंबर्स होते हैं हमारे लाइफ में, द डे वी आर बॉर्न और जब तक हम जीते हैं तब तक ये दोनों नंबर हमारे ऊपर बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट प्ले करता है. So I will teach you how to calculate your birth number and how to calculate your destiny number. After that, I will be talking about all the numbers in bit details from 1 to 9, so you can match with your numbers. Next slide, please. Okay, see date. अगर किसी का birth date होता है 27/6/1988, तो birth date हम लोग कैसे calculate करते हैं? It is 2 + 7. अगर किसी की birth date 9 होती है तो it will remain 9. पर न्यूमरोलॉजी में there are numbers from 1 to 9. तो जितने भी numbers होते हैं ना उसको we have to bring to a single digit. तो birth number 2 + 7 is 9 and destiny number हम लोग कैसे count करते हैं? 2 + 7 + 6 + 1 + 9 + 8 + 8. which is coming to 41 and जिसका single digit is 5. तो इस इंसान का birth number is 9 and destiny number is 5. So आप लोग अपना calculate कर लीजिए सब अपना birth number and destiny number. So we'll move ahead.
Please calculate your birth number, destiny numbers, और उसको अगर आप चाहें तो you can put it you can either put it in the chat or you can just message ki done or something like that. So Devashri knows you've done it.
Till then I'll talk about bit about the history of numerology. It is said to be invented like around 500 BC. Pythagoras was a mathematician जिन्होंने ये invent किया है, and since ages this thing has been, the technique जो है वो use हुआ है, but of lately अब ये थोड़ा सा limelight में आया है. But numerology many people follow and they get miraculous results. So it is very important. Because planets, अगर एस्ट्रोलॉजी की बात करो तो planets एक पोजीशन पे नहीं रहते, they keep on changing, but numbers are something जो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहेगा. And if we know our friendly number or enemy number, so we can wisely choose our property, because property में we spend most of the time. तो एक वो नंबर होना जरूरी है. जैसे अभी हम लोग मोबाइल यूज करते हैं तो even it is having a number which is giving us a vibration. So details में we'll talk about everything. I think okay, most of the people are done. Okay. Okay, now I'll start talking about birth number 1. Next slide, please. Okay, see, अभी मैं numbers के बारे में I will tell from 1 to 9. देखो किसी का birth number 1 होता है तो किसी का destiny number 1 होता है. अगर समझो किसी का birth number 1 है, destiny number 5 है, तो 1 की qualities and 5 की qualities दोनों उस इंसान पे work करती है. And it is said that after the age of 35, destiny numbers उस इंसान पे ज्यादा काम करता है. So ऐसा नहीं है कि if you are below 35 तो only birth number is working. Parallelly destiny number also work, but वो ratio होता है ना like 60-40 का हो जाता है, and after the age of 35 the destiny number starts working more strongly. Okay, now I'll talk about birth number 1. Number 1 is ruled by sun, जिसे हम कहते हैं सूर्य. Number 1 वाले people, they are very good leaders. They have lots of power होता है. They are very intelligent. They make very good bosses. They are very ambitious. They always carry their own plans. And generally number 1 people, they don't like to listen to other people's because they think they are always right. They are very like it is said that at times they are materialistic also, because they are very disciplined people. They are very punctual with the timings and all. And जैसे देखा जाता है कि they are also very cleanliness freak. उनको सफाई बहुत ज्यादा पसंद होती है. They don't like other people dictating them, because वो generally किसी की सुनते नहीं है. Yeah, it even depends on the destiny number, but yeah, if I'm talking only about birth number 1, so they are a bit adamant and they have very good leadership qualities and they have very competitive nature. Because see, sun is number 1, तो वो चाहते हैं कि life में हमेशा वही आगे रहे. And competitive means in a very positive way, in a healthy way. They make very good friends. They are a bit restless जब उनका काम नहीं होता है तो वो थोड़ा सा चिढ़ जाते हैं. Otherwise इसके भी चार्ट में number 1 होता है. That person is sure to get success in life, and that too within very short period of time. So this is a very good number to have in your chart. Next number, please.
if one moment, please, if you can just whoever had birth number 1 and whatever you felt about that, whatever Devashri said, please feel free to put it in the chat.
I felt most of them are correct, sir, because my birth number is 1.
Noted. Divya chat में डाल देंगी, please. We'll have
Yeah,
a one-to-one chat after we are done, okay? After we're through the presentation.
Okay.
Thank you. Please carry on, Devashri.
Yeah. Now coming to birth number 2, 2 is ruled by moon. Okay, so number 2 people are very loving, very caring. They're also very intuitive. They have artistic skills. Maybe physically they are not very strong, but mentally they are very sharp. 2 number people का अगर मैं बोलूँ तो they are the peacemaker. जहाँ पे कुछ problem होती है तो they are the best people जो दो लोगों के बीच में सलाह करवा सकता है. And number 2 people, they are very family वाले people होते हैं. They always want to be, they're not materialistic. They always want to be with their family, hugged and cuddled and all. They always need moral support of their near and dear ones, especially when they are starting something. And और देखा जाता है कि number 2 वाले लोग ना बहुत छोटी छोटी बात पे टेंशन भी ले लेते हैं कि कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. And at times बुरा भी लग जाता है उनको कि why did that person tell this to me? मैंने तो ऐसा नहीं किया था. So उनका बहुत sensitive nature होता है. They are very 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 helpful and they are very loyal friends and they genuinely feel happy जब उनके friends हैं या उनके surrounding में जो लोग हैं वो successful होते हैं life में. They never feel jealous. But उनको हमेशा उतने अच्छे friends नहीं मिलते हैं. They love to work behind the camera. किसी की भी help करना चाहते हैं तो they will always be like ठीक है, I've helped you, don't need to tell the world like मैंने आपके लिए किया है. And उनका mind बहुत weavering होता है. वो लोग तो जल्दी किसी चीज पे they can't like focus, थोड़ा सा उनका लूज हो जाता है and they are very fickle minded कि करूँ ना करूँ, करूँ ना करूँ. तो 2 वाले लोगों को हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि उनके साथ कोई हो, like a partnership, they can go into the partnership कि उनके साथ कोई हो तो they are the best person. So number 2 is देखा जाए तो it's a very good number. Many great artists like Shahrukh Khan है, he is born under birth number 2 and they should always listen to their intuition. So this is about birth number 2. Now I'll move on to birth number 3. Okay. Birth number 3, it is ruled by Guru, जिसे हम Jupiter कहते हैं. These people are very sensible, very hardworking. One of the best character people I can say is number 3 because it represents Guru. Number 3 वाले people, they're very fond of eating and देखा जाता है कि number 3 वाले लोग थोड़े से गोलू मोलू भी होते हैं because Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. तो उनका थोड़ा सा body heavy होता है. Mentally and physically they are very 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 strong. उनको भी success life में बहुत जल्दी मिल जाती है. And people come to number 3 people for their advices and they love to give advice. They love to talk a lot. उनको social होना भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. And they can use communication as a powerful tool also. And number 3 वालों के बारे में मैंने देखा है, they are very बिंदास people. उनको ना कभी life में tension नहीं होती है. कैसा भी situation हो, you'll always find them very happy-go-lucky type of a people. So number 3 वाले लोग भी like they can be a very good boss, administrator भी बन सकते हैं. But हाँ, number 3 वालों को थोड़ा सा success धीरे धीरे मिलती है. जब मिलती है तो it is at the top. So 3 is also a very good number to have in your chart, either as a birth number or as a destiny number. And I don't think there is anything like negative about 3, but हाँ एक है कि उनको भी लोगों की सुननी चाहिए because even 3 number people think that they are always right. जैसे एक टीचर नहीं होती स्कूल में, वो बोलती है कि okay, I'm always right and they don't listen to students. At times, number 3 people should also listen to other people's advice. And yeah, they're always right. Another thing it is कि they're never ever short of money. उनके पास बैंक बैलेंस से हमेशा अच्छा खासा पैसा होता है. So this is about birth number 3.
I'd like to put a note in over here. The number 3 is the most awesome of every one of them.
I think you are number 3. Okay. Now coming to birth number 4. Okay, birth number 4 is ruled by Rahu. So राहु का नाम सुन के थोड़ा सा सबको होता है ओके राहु. See, number 4 people are very disciplined people. They are very 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 focused people. They are very helpful friends. जैसे कभी भी कोई problem में होता है तो number 4 is a person who will always be like, can I do something for you? दे टेक ऑब्लिगेशंस वेरी सीरियसली. जैसे अगर किसी ने नंबर 4 वाले के लिए कुछ किया है तो दे मेक श्योर दैट दे रिटर्न इन अ वेरी गुड वे. दे आर वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड पीपल. आप उनका घर देखो, आप उनका ऑफिस देखो, आप उनका वार्डरोब देखो, एवरीथिंग इज ऑलवेज ब्यूटीफुली अरेंज्ड. बिकॉज 4 नंबर इज ऑल अबाउट डिसिप्लिन एंड फोकस. नंबर 4 वाले की लाइफ में ना अप्स एंड डाउन्स बहुत होते हैं एंड इट इज ऑलवेज अनएक्सपेक्टेड. सो इट इज हाईली एडवाइसेबल कि नंबर 4 वालों के पास जब बहुत पैसा आता है दे शुड सेव द मनी बिकॉज दे आर वेरी गुड स्पेंडथ्रिफ्ट. उनको पैसा खर्च करना बहुत पसंद होता है. सो व्हेनेवर दे अर्न समथिंग, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पोर्शन दे टेंड टू एक्सपेंस. बट जब उनके पास बहुत पैसा हो तो दे शुड सेव मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द मनी बिकॉज दे नेवर नो उनका बुरा समय कब आएगा. सो नंबर 4 वाले लोग बहुत सीक्रेटिव होते हैं. दे डोंट ओपन अप टू मच. एंड होता ना कि अगर उनके नियर एंड डियर वंस, दे आल्सो फेल टू अंडरस्टैंड पीपल हु आर बोर्न विद बर्थ नंबर 4. सी इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बर्थ नंबर 4, इट आल्सो मींस 13, 22nd एंड 31st. जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बताया ना सिंगल डिजिट पे लाना है, तो इट इज आल्सो एप्लीकेबल फॉर द पीपल बोर्न ऑन 13, 22nd एंड 34th. तो नंबर 4 वालों का जैसे देखा जाए तो उनका स्ट्रक्चर इज ऑलवेज वेरी स्लीक बिकॉज वो राहु रिप्रेजेंट करता है. तो दे आर वेरी, वो दे ऑलवेज लुक वेरी एरोगेंट बट दे आर नॉट लाइक दैट. दे ऑलवेज शो द अदर साइड ऑफ द कॉइन व्हिच दे आर नॉट. एंड नंबर 4 वालों को गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है एंड होता है ना छोटी छोटी बात पे गुस्सा हो जाते हैं. बट उनका गुस्सा ना बबल्स जैसा होता है, जैसे अभी आया, आफ्टर 2 minutes नथिंग इज देयर इन देयर माइंड एंड दे लव टू टॉक, पॉइंट टू पॉइंट बात करते. दे विल नेवर एग्जैजुरेट. जैसे इफ आई टॉक अबाउट नंबर 3, दे आर द स्टोरी टेलर्स. उनको कुछ बोलना होगा ना एकदम अच्छे से डीपली एक्सप्लेन करके बोलेंगे. बट नंबर 4 वाले पीपल, दे विल ऑलवेज टॉक पॉइंट टू पॉइंट. एंड आई कैन से दे आर नॉट वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल पीपल. दे आर बिट ऑर्थोडॉक्स बिकॉज उनको जो चाहिए, जैसा चाहिए वैसा ही चाहिए. दे डोंट लाइक टू लाइक उसमें उनको अल्टरेशन पसंद नहीं है. इफ आई से दैट अगर किसी ने खाना बनाया है 60-70% इज वेरी गुड, but 4 number people will give emphasis to why the 30% is not good. वहाँ पे क्यों इतना कम हुआ है. And they also love to argue a lot. Number 4 people, they have lots of friends, but they should be aware because they also have enemies in disguise. Because 4 number वाले को कैसा होता है ना, they talk very like straightforward होके बोलते हैं, मुंह पे बोल देते हैं. So many people, they find it offending. Many people, they try to harm number 4 people. बट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द एंगर, उनमें ताकत नहीं होती कि 4 वाले का कुछ बिगाड़ सके. सो 4 वालों के लिए एडवाइस है कि वो लोग पार्टनरशिप भी ना करे तो अच्छा है. एंड दे शुड नॉट ट्रस्ट एवरीवन वेरी इजीली बिकॉज वो इजीली ट्रस्ट कर लेते हैं एंड दे नेवर नो उनका कौन एनिमी है, कौन फ्रेंड्स है. इवन फ्रेंड्स में इफ एनिमी इज इन डिस्गाइज. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट बर्थ नंबर 4. नाउ कमिंग टू बर्थ नंबर 5. Okay. Number 5 is ruled by Budh, जिसे हम कहते हैं Mercury. This is one of the very, very, very important number to have in the birth chart because from 1 to 9, 5 is the only number जो सब number को balance करता है. ठीक है? So 5 is the number of communication, independence, and number 5 people are very knowledgeable. They're very, very flexible people. जैसे उनको आप बोलो ना चलो यहाँ चलते तो बोले कि हाँ ठीक है चलते हैं. They are not very adamant types. They can use communication as a very, very, very powerful tool and they are multitaskers. जैसे नंबर 5 वालों को बोल दिया जाए कि आपको एक साथ 3-4 काम करना है, वो लोग इजीली कर सकते हैं. इट इज मेनी टाइम्स इट इज सीन दैट 5 नंबर वाली लेडी खाना भी बना रही है, फोन में भी बात कर रही है, बच्चों को भी पढ़ा रही है. एंड दे आर वेरी टैलेंटेड पीपल. वो किसी भी फील्ड में जा सकते हैं एंड दे कैन लर्न एवरीथिंग विद वेरी, वेरी, वेरी ग्रेट ईज. वो बच्चों के साथ बच्चे बन जाएंगे, बड़ों के साथ बड़े बन जाएंगे एंड जैसा भी एनवायरनमेंट होता है वो लोग एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं. एंड दे आर वेरी पॉजिटिव पीपल. कोई भी नेगेटिव सिचुएशन होती है उनमें भी वो लोग पॉजिटिविटी निकाल देते हैं. एंड नंबर 5 वाले लोगों में है ये भी होता है कि जैसे उनको ना इवन उनके फ्रेंड्स साथ होते हैं कि वो लोग हर एक के साथ जेल हो जाते हैं. देयर आर मेनी नंबर्स जिसके एनिमी होते हैं बट 5 इज द ओनली नंबर जिसका कोई एनिमी नंबर नहीं होता है. So this is a very good number to have in the chart. And yeah, this is all about birth number 5. If I start talking about numbers, तो मैं एक number के ऊपर पूरा like दिन बोल सकती हूँ. So I'm just cutting it short, seeing the time, because अभी काफी कुछ cover up करना है. Okay. Now coming to birth number 6, it is ruled by Venus, जिसे हम कहते हैं शुक्र. नंबर 6 वाले लोग बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट होते हैं, बहुत ही लॉयल होते हैं, बहुत ही केयरिंग होते हैं. दे आर हैव वेरी अट्रैक्टिव पर्सनालिटी. आप दूर दूर से भी यू कैन देख सकते हो कि जो बहुत लाइक देखने में अट्रैक्टिव फेस होता है उनका, तो दे आर बर्थ नंबर 6 वाले लोग. नंबर 6 वाले लोगों को अप्रिसिएशन बहुत चाहिए होता है, दैट पीपल शुड अप्रिशिएट व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, अदरवाइज उनको थोड़ा सा बुरा भी लग जाता है. एंड दे लव यूजिंग कॉस्मेटिक्स. अगर फीमेल है तो उन्हें कॉस्मेटिक्स यूज करना बहुत पसंद होता है. मेल है तो दे टेंड टू यूज लॉट्स ऑफ परफ्यूम्स एंड होता है ना ब्रांडेड वॉचेस एंड एवरीथिंग. दे आर बिट ब्रांड कॉन्शियस. एंड नंबर 6 इज अ वेरी लाइक होमली नंबर. इट इज अ वेरी फैमिली ओरिएंटेड नंबर, कि उनको फैमिली से बहुत ज्यादा अटैचमेंट होती है. एंड दे लव टू डेकोरेट देयर हाउस. दे मेक वेरी गुड होस्ट, कि उनके घर भी कोई आता है तो 6 नंबर वाला बोलेगा आपको तो खाना ही पड़ेगा, आई विल नॉट लीव यू. उनको मेहमान नवाजी करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड दे आर ऑल्सो टर्म्ड एज पार्टी एनिमल्स. उनको पार्टी करना, सोशल होना, दे लव अ लॉट. एंड दे आर ऑल्सो रिलीजियस. बट नंबर 6 पीपल, दे शुड कीप इन माइंड जल्दी किसी के बहकावे में नहीं आना है. बिकॉज 6 इज अ नंबर, उनका कोई बहुत तारीफ कर देगा तो वो जल्दी किसी के भी बात में आ जाते हैं. हाँ, इट अगेन डिपेंड्स ऑन द डेस्टिनी नंबर. अगर डेस्टिनी नंबर 4 होता है, 1 होता है, तो वो लोग जनरली किसी के बात में नहीं आएंगे. So this is the way I have told that both the number works parallelly. And 6 is also one of the very good number to have in the chart because it gives lots of luxury, पैसा, fame. And 6 वाले के केस में ऐसा है कि उनके लाइफ में पैसा उनको कहीं से भी मिल जाता है. If I give you one example, अगर कोई इंसान है, he is working in a company, तो ही इज नॉट वेरी रिच, बट वो ऐसी कंपनी में काम करता है कि बॉस उनको कभी यूएस भेजेगा, कभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया भेजेगा, कभी कनाडा भेजेगा. ही इज बोर्न टू एंजॉय ऑल द लग्जरीज इन लाइफ. तो इट इज अ वेरी गुड नंबर. नाउ मूविंग टू बर्थ नंबर 7. ओके, सी बर्थ नंबर 7 रिप्रेजेंट्स केतु. तो नंबर 7 वाले लोग, दे वेरी स्पिरिचुअल पीपल, बहुत ही झुके हुए होते हैं, लाइक इन द सेंस दे वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ पीपल. See, if I talk spiritual, religious and spirituality, they both are not same. Somewhat they are interrelated, but spirituality means a person is a very spiritual person. Number 7 wale, they generally don't like to follow a certain religion. जैसे if I'm number 7, अगर मुझे क्रिश्चियनिटी में कुछ अच्छा लगा, I will adapt that. अगर मुझे इस्लाम में कुछ अच्छा लगा तो I will adapt that point. So they make their own religion. And they are very 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 intuitive. They should listen to the intuition. नंबर 7 वालों को ना जल्दी किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं होता है. उनको कुछ भी करना होता है तो they will think many like होता है ना, काफी समय लेंगे, then only they will jump into a thing. They have very analytical mind. And if I talk that number 7, they are a bit aloof people. उनको ना ज्यादा लोग नहीं पसंद होते हैं. They love to spend time alone by themselves, sitting by the nature, reading a book, having a cup of coffee. So even when they are alone, उनको बहुत खुशी होती है. जैसे घर पे कोई नहीं होगा तो 7 number people will be okay, it's I'm happy nobody is there, now I can chill myself. मैं अपना टाइम खुद अपने साथ स्पेंड कर सकता हूँ. अगर मैं 5 नंबर की बात करूँ तो these people will go into the depression if they don't meet people, because 5 is a वो ऐसा नंबर है जिसको लोग बहुत पसंद होते हैं. एंड 7 इज इन दिस केस ऑपोजिट. उनको अकेला रहना, अलूफ रहना बहुत पसंद होता है. दे माइट हैव मेनी फ्रेंड्स, बट वो लोग बहुत ज्यादा ओपन सबके साथ नहीं होते हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो सेड दैट 7 इज अ वेरी मिस्टीरियस नंबर. आप जनरली 7 नंबर वालों को जज नहीं कर सकते कि उनका नेचर कैसा होगा. जैसे if a person is number 7, with friends he's chilling, partying, talking, and when he is with family he behaves very silent. उनका ना नेचर पर्सन टू पर्सन के साथ चेंज हो जाता है. तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू प्रिडिक्ट कि उनका नेचर कैसा होता है. एंड दे ऑल्सो टेंड टू कीप थिंग्स इन देयर हार्ट. वो जनरली किसी के साथ कम्युनिकेट नहीं करते हैं, वो अपनी फीलिंग्स किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करते हैं. एंड एंड अनदर वन थिंग, नंबर 7 वालों का दिमाग बहुत ही खुराफाती होता है, कि अगर वो किसी भी चीज में करेंगे ना तो व्हाई दिस थिंग इज लाइक दिस, ये ऐसा क्यों है, किस लिए है. तो वो लोग ना हर एक चीज में एकदम डीप में जाना पसंद करते हैं. and they love to explore new things. And number 7 people, they should also learn what to say, when to say and how to say, because वो लोग बहुत बार बिना सोचे समझे कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. and this is a number, वो generally किसी की चापलूसी नहीं करेंगे. they will never butter anyone, चाहे कुछ भी हो. So, and so this is all about birth number 7, and only a piece of advice, number 7 people should open to more people ताकि वो अपनी फीलिंग शेयर कर सके. Otherwise, at times देखा जाता है कि they might go into depression because they don't share their feelings a lot with even with their partners, with their parents. They should open up more. So this was all about birth number 7. Saif Ali Khan is an example of birth number 7. Yeah. Okay, now coming to birth number 8. 8 is a planet which is ruled by Saturn, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं शनि. So 8 is a number of discipline also. जैसे शनि है, वो एक ना न्याय का देवता है. He is always with the scale in his hand. जहाँ पे किसी ने कुछ गलत किया, instantly he will punish that person. So number 8 वाले लोग बहुत ethics होता है उनमें, बहुत highly principled होते हैं. Since शनि को सूर्य का बेटा बताया जाता है, तो उनमें भी लीडरशिप क्वालिटी होती है. They are very honest people, they are very helpful people. एंड जैसा बोला जाता है, जैसे फादर में होता है, बच्चे में भी वो क्वालिटी आती है. तो नंबर 8 पीपल आर ऑल्सो वेरी डोमिनेटिंग, वो किसी का सुनेंगे नहीं. दे आर ऑल्सो मटीरियलिस्टिक. एंड सी, शनि एक ऐसा प्लैनेट है ना जो इंसान को बहुत मेहनत कराता है, इतना मेहनत कराता है. बट दिस इज द ओनली प्लैनेट विच गिव रिजल्ट्स लाइक नो अदर प्लैनेट कैन गिव. It takes time, but it definitely gives a result, and इतना अच्छा result कोई नहीं देता है. If I talk about Narendra Modi ji, even he is ruled by 8. His initial life was like सबको पता है, and now he is sitting on top. So this is what Shani does. But हाँ, एक चीज है, शनि अगर किसी के भी birth chart में 8 है, अगर वो नीति है and होता ना कि he is not following the ethics, then Shani will not give him results. Because Shani always wants कि सबको justice मिले, and he's like a judge. वो किसी के साथ भी अन्याय नहीं होने देगा. And 8 number people, they should, if they at least have one addiction, it is seen. And if they booze, smoke or do something, तो वो थोड़ा सा कम कर देना चाहिए, because this is something which Shani never likes. So this is all about birth number 8. And another thing I want to say about 8 is a very good example. जैसे एक ज्वेलर होता है ना, तो उसको एक ज्वेलरी का पीस बनाना है, ब्यूटीफुल नेकलेस, तो उसको एक सोने का टुकड़ा मिलता है, उसको मारेगा, ठोकेगा, पीटेगा, उसको हीट करेगा, फिर उसको वापस उसके ऊपर प्रोसेस होगा, देन इट विल टर्न टू अ ब्यूटीफुल ऑर्नामेंट. तो सेम थिंग इज विद बर्थ नंबर 8. 8 वालों को ना बहुत मेहनत होती है लाइफ में, एंड वो लोग कोई भी सिचुएशन में रह सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो किसी सिचुएशन में नहीं रह सकते हैं. And they can digest name, fame and money with very great ease, because उनको पता है कि वो यहाँ से यहाँ तक कैसे पहुंचे हैं. So this was all about Saturn. Now okay. So number 9 is about Mangal and Mars. So number 9 people are very aggressive. उनको हर एक काम स्पीड में करना बहुत पसंद होता है. उनको कभी भी देखोगे कि नहीं, धीरे धीरे शांति से काम कर रहे हैं. They are very punctual. They generally don't like to take obligations from people, and they never crave for the appreciation because they know what they are doing is good. Number 9 is associated with warriors. उनमें warrior जैसी qualities होती है. They never give up in life. End moment तक they keep on fighting, fighting and fighting. And yes, number 9 people are very stubborn. उनको जो करना होता है वो करके ही रहते हैं. They will not listen to anyone. अगर उनको कोई बोलेगा तो वो लोग हाँ हाँ करेंगे, but internally उनको जो करना है, they will do that thing only. So number 9 people are also very humanitarian. उनको लोगों की help करना, सेवा करना, they love a lot. If a person is begging, तो number 9 वाले के पॉकेट में हाथ सबसे पहले जाएगा कि लाओ मैं से कुछ दे देता हूँ, because they like to serve people. Number 9 वाले people are very spendthrift, they are very careless with money matters. And number 9 वालों को गुस्सा भी बहुत जल्दी आता है, and that is temporary, but उनकी बहुत सारी चीजें बिगड़ जाती है because उन्हें गुस्सा आता है. If they control how to control their anger, तो 9 जैसा नंबर कोई नहीं है, because वो अपने पैर पे खुद कुल्हाड़ी मारने वाला काम करते हैं. And number 9 people, they should learn to leave things on karma, so they will not face any issues अगर वो ये चीज सीख जाते हैं. Number 9 वाले बहुत ही क्रिएटिव होते हैं. They have a very they are very honest, they have a very charming personality. वो सबके साथ जेल हो जाते हैं, उन्हें अच्छा खाना खाना, अच्छा ड्रेस होना भी बहुत पसंद होता है. And this is also a good number. I won't say a very good number, but yeah, अगर वो गुस्सा वाला चीज को छोड़ दो तो 9 number people, they are very good. They have also interest in metaphysics. में काफी ऑकल्ट साइंस में इंटरेस्ट होता है. जैसे नंबर 7 है, उसको भी ऑकल्ट साइंस में काफी इंटरेस्ट होता है. So even 9 is having same kind of similarities. So this is all about birth number 9. Okay. So this is see over here. I would like to say numerology can change the life of a person. For example, किसी का date of birth is not having a positive number, तो उनके केस में numerology is very important. अच्छा, न्यूमरोलॉजी क्या करती है? जैसे किसी का रास्ता इट इज फुल ऑफ बम्प्स एंड बम्प्स, तो न्यूमरोलॉजी थोड़ा सा उसको ना लाइक स्मूथ बना देता है, तो जो गाड़ी होती है वो स्मूथली जा सकती है, उनको बहुत बम्पी फील नहीं होगा. तो दिस इज व्हाट न्यूमरोलॉजी डज एंड इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज सी दिस इज अ मोड. अगर हमारे पास ऐसा कोई मोड है कि हम अपने लाइफ को बेहतर बना सकते हैं यूजिंग न्यूमरोलॉजी, देयर इज नथिंग लाइक दैट, बिकॉज ईच नंबर इज हैविंग लाइक होता ना मैजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज इन देम. सो या इट डिपेंड्स, सबके अलग अलग नंबर्स होते हैं, तो लाइकवाइज ऑल द कैलकुलेशंस आर डन. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. ओके, इफ आप देख रहे हो उसमें आयुष्मान खुराना है, राजकुमार राव है, अजय देवगन. दिस इज जस्ट अ स्मॉल लाइक 3 जन को ही मैंने इन फोटो में डाला है. जैसे आयुष्मान खुराना सब जानते हैं, रोडी से वो ऑन एयर आते थे. ही वाज आल्सो वीजे ऑन एमटीवी. तो उनको बहुत स्ट्रगल मिली. ही गॉट हिज नेम करेक्शन डन एंड नाउ ही इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट एक्टर ऑफ बॉलीवुड. एंड सेम थिंग आई कैन से अबाउट राजकुमार राव. सिटी लाइट्स जब रिलीज हुई थी तो उनको इतना फेम नहीं मिला था. So after the name correction, he's doing excellent job. And even Ajay Devgan, वो कितने सालों से आते हैं ना फूल और कांटों से. So उस समय भी he was not getting so much of success. जैसे अजय देवगन में उन्होंने E हटा दिया. So just see, this is the way कि न्यूमरोलॉजी में we need to add a alphabet और किसी alphabet को हमें कम करना पड़ता है. So this is the way the name correction is done. And again I would like to add कि वो हर एक individual के date of birth पे ही होता है. So yeah. So these are the few of the examples. And another thing, यश चोपड़ा का कौन दीवाना नहीं है. We all love यश चोपड़ा जी का movies, चाहे वो चांदनी हो, कभी कभी हो, दिल तो पागल है हो. So all his movies were super hit because he was a very ardent follower of numerology. उनकी सारी की सारी movies numerology के हिसाब से ही होती थी. If you see in the screen, कभी कभी में ऊपर में the spelling is different, KABHI, and नीचे है KABHIE. This is because of the numerology. And another example if I give is मुझसे friendship करोगे, तो friendship में there are so many A's. Why? Because of numerology. अभी latest example I would like to share, वो इसमें नहीं है, that is अक्षय की अभी movie release हुई थी लक्ष्मी बॉम्ब. तो all of a sudden bomb was removed and लक्ष्मी में double I कर दिया गया था because that was not giving a very good vibration. And double I के बाद movie did quite well. बहुत अच्छी movie नहीं बोल सकते, but yeah, वो flop तो नहीं हुई. So this is a magic of numerology. मेरी एक friend है, I just would like to share something. उसने मुझे बोला कि देवश्री, मुझे एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने बोला था कि तुम्हारे लाइफ में बहुत स्ट्रगल आएगी, तो वो तुम एक्सेप्ट कर ही लो. अगर कहीं पे लिफ्ट होती है तो आपको तो सीढ़ी से ही जाना पड़ेगा. देन आई टोल्ड अपर्णा, हैव यू बीन टू अ मॉल? तो उन्होंने बोला हाँ. तो बोले आपने एस्केलेटर देखा है? तो उसने बोला हाँ. तो बोले न्यूमरोलॉजी आपके लिए वही काम करेगा, भले सीढ़ी से जाओ बट गो स्मूथली. सो दिस I wanted to share with you all. Next slide please. Yes, numerology is important in whichever field you are. चाहे आप कोई भी field में हो, because brand name हर एक जगह use होता है. It is mandatory. तो brand name अगर strong होगा तो you are sure to get success in life. अभी मैं एक restaurant में गई थी तो मैंने उनका कार्ड मांगा because I'm into numerology, तो मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा numbers घूमते रहते हैं. तो I saw उनका जो property number था that was coming to 7. और 7 में इतना फुटफॉल होना, एंड दैट इज अ रेस्टोरेंट इन अहमदाबाद जहाँ पे कभी खाली होता ही नहीं है. ऑलवेज सुपर लाइक होता है ना, क्राउड होता है वहाँ पे. देन आई कैलकुलेटेड द रेस्टोरेंट का नेम, इट वाज कमिंग टू वेरी फैंटाबुलस कंपाउंड नंबर. So this is the magic. Even if the property का number is not good, but अगर name उसका restaurant का काफी अच्छा था, तो that place is getting superb results. So this is the magic of numerology. Next slide, please. Okay. If I talk about numbers also, अभी बहुत सारे लोग प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. जैसे कोई फ्लैट में रहता है, कोई बंगलो में रहता है, कोई टेनेमेंट में रहता है, कोई रो हाउस में रहता है, कहीं भी रहता है. तो प्रॉपर्टी में न्यूमरोलॉजी प्लेस अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, बिकॉज अगर आप सर्टेन नंबर के प्रॉपर्टी में रहते हो तो वो वाइब्रेशन आपके ऊपर वर्क करेगी. इफ आई एम स्टेइंग इन नंबर 1 वाला हाउस, तो आई विल बी ऑलवेज ऑन टॉप ऑफ द लाइक हर एक चीज में आई विल बी ऑन टॉप. मुझे हमेशा क्रीम लोगों से मिलना पड़ेगा, मेरा कॉन्टेक्ट हमेशा अच्छे लोगों के साथ होगा, बिकॉज दैट इज द मैजिक ऑफ द नंबर. इवन द सेम थिंग इज विथ योर ऑफिस, बिकॉज सी घर एंड ऑफिस एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हम मेजोरिटी ऑफ द टाइम अपना टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. अगर फीमेल है तो वो घर में ज्यादातर रहती है, मेल है तो ऑफिस में रहते हैं, बट स्टिल पीपल विल कम बैक टू देयर हाउस एंड वो नंबर भी अफेक्ट करता है. तो बहुत लोग रियल एस्टेट में होते हैं, बहुत लोग नई ऑफिस खरीदने वाले होते हैं, प्रॉपर्टी लेने वाले होते हैं, तो वहां पे न्यूमरोलॉजी प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. बिकॉज अभी एक क्लाइंट का मेरे पास फोन आया था कि हमारी प्रॉपर्टी वो बिक ही नहीं रही है. वी आर ट्राइंग सिंस एजेस. देन आई आस्क्ड हर व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी. शी सेड 13. सो 13 इज अ नंबर जो हर एक कोई अवॉइड करता है, एंड शी वाज हैविंग दैट प्रॉपर्टी, तो शी वाज हैविंग इश्यूज. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जब भी आप कोई प्रॉपर्टी लेते हो, consult a good numerologist, because you can consult me or anyone if you wish to, but always किसी को भी numerologist को consult करके ही आप कोई property लो, because it can change your life. So it is very important. And after about the property, that slide is not here, I just want to say about that also. Mobile number plays a very important role in numerology, because देखो जब से कोविड स्टार्ट हुआ है तब से सारा काम सबका मेजॉरिटी फोन पे ही होता है. If the phone number is not having a very good vibration, तो वो literally life में दिखता है. Before numerology, I was having 2 numbers. उनके numbers, वो 2 numbers काफी malefic थे. And literally I used to face problems. People used to bargain, people used to call me, and like होता है ना, हाँ बोल के फिर ना बोल देते थे. So there are many things कि मोबाइल में फर्क पड़ता है. And see, mobile number is not only that we do the total of the mobile number and we see there are many battling numbers. जैसे अंदर में काफी सारे combinations number के होते हैं, तो उससे भी हम लोग prediction करते हैं कि उनके लाइफ में कैसा हो रहा है, like क्या चल रहा है. जैसे अभी 2 दिन पहले person had come to me, तो मैंने उनके बारे में जो बोला, only seeing his mobile number, it literally came true, because वो अंदर के numbers भी matter करते हैं. So we also advise कि किस तरह का नंबर आपको लेना चाहिए. So that is all about mobile number. Even बैंक में भी बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. If I give you my example, I'm a big spendthrift. मेरे हाथ में पैसा generally नहीं टिकता है. So after I got numerology for my bank, for my new mobile number, like मैं कुछ साल पहले का बात कर रही हूँ, and कैसा होता है, अभी भी मैं उतना ही spend कर रही हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है कि they have controlled my expense and all, but the magic of number is मैं जितना expense करती हूँ, touch wood, वापस attract होके the balance is good. So that is the magic of numbers, because see इसमें कैसा है कि everything I have applied on myself, on my family, and I've been doing this for quite a lot. काफी समय से मैं कर रही हूँ, and people are highly getting benefit using numerology. So I will say numerology is actually a magic. Okay, next slide please. See, अभी तक मैंने जितना भी बोला ना, that was all about Western numerology. I also follow Loshu numerology. Loshu आप आजकल देखोगे तो काफी सारे लोग हैं, majority of the people they follow Loshu a lot. But I feel जहाँ पे name correction होता है, जहाँ पे brand name correction होता है, तो वहाँ पे Western numerology बहुत ज्यादा काम आता है. And Loshu is equally important because हमारे चार्ट में काफी सारे numbers missing होते हैं, तो उनका क्या मीनिंग होता है, हाउ डज दैट वर्क, तो वो सब हमें लोशु में पता चलता है. एंड दिस ग्रिड इज मैजिकल. अगर आप 438 को टोटल करो, इट इज कमिंग टू 15. 951 को करो तो इट इज कमिंग टू 15. 276 को करो, हॉरिजॉन्टली करो, क्रॉस में करो, तो इट इज कमिंग टू 15. सो लोशु इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये हम लोग यूज करते हैं जहाँ जिनके चार्ट में समझो बहुत रिपीटेटिव नंबर्स होते हैं, काफी सारे नंबर्स मिसिंग होते हैं, तो वी गिव द रेमेडी. इसको मैं आपको एकदम फटाफट में एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. 438 है, वो थॉट प्रोसेस का प्लेन होता है, उससे हमें पता चलता है कि इंसान की प्रोसेस कैसा होता है। 951 इज रिप्रेजेंट्स विल पावर, 276 जो है वो एक्शन प्लेन है, 492 मेंटल प्लेन होता है, 357 इमोशनल प्लेन होता है, 816 प्रैक्टिकल प्लेन होता है। तो हमारे चार्ट में सारे नंबर्स न्यूमरोलॉजी में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसके नहीं होने से भी इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, रिपीटेटिव टाइम होने से भी इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग बहुत सारी रेमेडीज देते हैं, जिसमें हम लोग क्रिस्टल्स भी सजेस्ट करते हैं, बिकॉज क्रिस्टल्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी 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 पावरफुल एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. So this is all about Loshu, because we have, I think, 15 minutes left here. So I would like to go to the next slide because it will take, yeah. So I'm almost done. And another thing I would like to say is many people, they have a thing कि numerology कराया तो papers में भी change कराना पड़ता है. It is not like that. We never advise anyone to do correction on the papers. जहाँ जहाँ पे legally डॉक्यूमेंट्स इन्वॉल्व नहीं होते हैं, वहाँ पे हम लोग बोलते हैं, जैसे सोशल मीडिया होता है, आपका ईमेल एड्रेस होता है, विजिटिंग कार्ड होता है, नेम प्लेट होता है, वहाँ पे हम लोग कराते हैं चेंज. एंड अनदर थिंग, बहुत सारी क्वेरीज मेरे पास वेबिनार में भी आई है कि व्हाट इफ अ पर्सन इज हैविंग अ मेलेफिक प्रॉपर्टी नंबर, तो ऑब्वियसली घर चेंज करना इज ऑब्वियसली नॉट पॉसिबल. तो उसकी भी काफी सारी रेमेडीज होती है विच वर्क्स वेरी 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 गुड, एंड इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी टू चेंज द नंबर अगर किसी का मेलेफिक है तो. बट हाँ, अगर मोबाइल नंबर है तो मोबाइल नंबर वी एडवाइज देम टू चेंज, बिकॉज उससे बहुत 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 फर्क पड़ता है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू एंड माई सेशन, एंड इफ आपको किसी को क्वेश्चंस है तो आई वुड लव टू आंसर ऑल योर क्वेश्चंस.
So we'll end this with a little advertisement for Devashri Thakur. Numerology is a bridge between who you are now and who you have the potential to be. Book your consultation today with Devashri Thakur at that number. Please take a screenshot of this page and give her a call if you're ever looking for something. Achha, now we'll take questions for the next 15 minutes. Dipali's iPhone, could you please switch on your camera and go ahead? Dipali, you have your hand raised. अच्छा ठीक है, कैमरा ऑन मत करिए. Okay, anyone else? I think Dipali's hand got raised by mistake. Anyone else have a question? Can I just stop sharing this?
Yeah, it's fine.
You guys have taken screenshots? Nahi to Dipali, Devashri is also on the Community Healers group, so that should be fine. Okay, Dr. Swati, please go ahead. Could you switch on your camera, please? We'd love to look upon you as well. Okay, Devashri, you ask.
I think somebody was asking which mobile number to take. So I would like to say I exactly can't say, because for that I have to see your numbers. अगर मुझे
Right.
किसी का birth number and destiny number नहीं पता है, blindly I'm not allowed to give numbers or anything to anyone, because this needs lots and lots of calculation done, and we have to see the friendly number, enemy number, and straight away we are not supposed to give, because that is something which if I give and that comes to be your enemy number, then you will be in a big problem. Because
Right.
numbers have lots of power, lots of strength, and lots of magic if used correctly.
Hi, Preeti. Could you switch on your camera and go ahead and ask,
Actually,
please?
Actually, I asked that question about mobile number.
Okay. Go ahead, Purva.
Yeah, I cannot
Could you please switch on your?
camera due to
Acha.
some.
ठीक है,
Yeah,
no
reason.
problem. Go ahead.
Yeah, my birth number is 3 and my destiny number is 9 and my mobile number is equals to 5.
It is a good number. It will be very good balance in life.
Okay. Like how we can, I mean, say that this is a good number or this is a bad number, that we can say, or we can
See,
decide.
that I have to see. जैसे आपका number, your number is 3 and 9. For 3 and 9, 5 is a good number. It will, जैसे आपका number ना, it should be like आपका हमेशा phone चालू रहता होगा. You always are talking on the phone. It never gives you rest. You're always and always on phone. वो बहुत बातें करवाएगा 5 number.
Okay, yeah, that's true.
Okay, you can tell that as well.
Yeah.
Right. Preeti,
See,
please go
for
ahead.
every individual numbers are differs. जैसे कोई student होता है तो I have to give that person a different number. अगर कोई politics में है तो मुझे उनको कुछ और number advice करना पड़ेगा. Depends on the profession as well.
Right. Preeti, would you like to go ahead?
Yes, sir. It happens since about 1 year. It is happening that whenever I see the time in phone, the digital clock, it is either 9:11 or 19:11. It is like that. What does it mean?
That are angelic numbers, which is not numerology, that is different. The,
9:11.
yeah, it is called angelic numbers. Angel में काफी सारे numbers होते हैं, which repetitively, if you are seeing, it has a certain meaning. But that is not a part of numerology. It is a part of angel.
Preeti, you'll find a person on our group called Sonali Bhattacharya. Maybe you want to just message her or talk to her about it. I think she works with angel healing as well.
Okay. I would like to ask one more thing.
Ji.
How
Yes.
do you calculate mobile number that?
See, mobile number ko na, you have to add all the digits. It will come to a 2-digit, get it to a single digit. So that is the way one can calculate the mobile number.
And if it comes to 3 digits?
And one, yes. 3, it is a good number if you're in the field where you are into teaching.
No,
I
she said 3 digits. She said
I
3
don't-
digit.
I'm not understanding how
Agar
to
wo,
calculate.
if it comes to 3 digits, then you add the 3 digits
get it to
together and
one.
get 1.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Dr. Swati, would you like to turn on your camera and ask your... Go ahead, please. Dr. Swati? We can't hear you, by the way. Naveen, would you like to turn on your camera and go ahead?
Hi, Sid. Network issue. If I switch on my
No
camera,
problem.
voice will break.
No problem, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Okay, so Devashri, I wanted to understand my birth number is 5, destiny number is 8, and mobile number is 5. Okay,
Okay.
what is this combination all about? And second, what is you talked about some property number? So I'm an absolutely layman in this segment. So this is my first session at all as far as numerology is concerned.
Okay, so 5 is a very good number that you're having in your chart. But since you're having 8, you will have to do lots of trial and error, and you will get success with lots of hard work. And having a mobile number 5, it's good. Same thing I told. वो आपको बहुत busy रखता होगा. You're always on phone. It never gives you rest.
Actually, it's other way around. I
Okay.
am pretty non-addictive to mobile. I only use it during my working hours, and otherwise it's with my son who is playing games throughout the non-official working hours.
Okay.
And is the name spelling and everything is correct? It's NAVINSINGH.
That I need to calculate. You need to get the consultation done. Like this, I can't
Okay,
say.
fair.
Because consultation, I mean, calculation will take time.
Fair. No worries. Thanks.
Rashmi, I can see you. Charu has ने पहले बोला था. तो एक बार चारू पूछ लें, then I'll come to you, Rashmi. Okay, I saw your hand. Charu, please go ahead.
Both my numbers, my birth as well as destiny number is 9. So, what would that mean? Does it have more impact?
Yes, you have double power of mass. You're very, very, very like होता ना like aggressive, not in a wrong way. आप सब काम बहुत फटाफट करते. You can't tolerate a person when he's doing very शांति वाला. You get pissed कि क्यों इतना धीरे कर रहा है. Like you work with
Very
great
hyper.
Yes, very hyper. You should avoid red. 9 people, they love red a lot. It's a lucky color.
It's my favorite color.
So my favorite too. So whenever I see something that I feel like buying, so it is the trait of the number 9. Otherwise, it's a good number. You're also very humanitarian, but you need to, if you're very aggressive, बहुत गुस्सा आता है, you need to control because वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं it can backfire.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Rashmi ji, please go ahead. Mute. You're mute.
Okay.
Ji.
Can you hear me?
Ji.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, how are you? Actually, this was my first session anywhere about numerology and I found it very interesting. I have just one question, Devashri.
Yes.
Can numerology also help in health issues? Like I'm a patient of rheumatism, I'm a patient of thyroid, and on top of that, currently I'm having a fracture in my right hand. And this is ongoing for past approximately 2 years. So I just wanted to know if it can help.
See, numerology, if I say, it is basically for name, fame, and popularity. I was just about to say this because बहुत सारे लोग होते, they come to me that मेरा शादी कब होगा, when will I go abroad? So these things we can't answer, and numerology, it is not very helpful for the health issue. But yeah, I give healing codes, switch words, crystals, they are helpful. But exactly, I won't say कि वो आपको health में बहुत कम आएगा. It is mainly for name, fame, success, popularity. For health, not exactly.
In a certain aspect, numerology can help, because if you fast for 16 hours, then you will have some improvements.
Intermittent fasting. I'm getting
If you
you.
reduce 100% carbohydrates, you will have some help.
That's good. Actually, Devshri, I have that Shiva and Shakti crystals at my home because my husband is a Reiki master.
Wow.
So we do have that, but
Then
somehow
your husband can definitely heal you with the crystal. I'm also a crystal healer, so that is very helpful.
he says Kumhar हमेशा फूटी हांडी में खाता है, so I cannot heal you.
That is very true. दिया तले अंधेरा ही होता है.
Ma'am, approach another healer. Reiki can heal you with what you have, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Reiki healer,
Okay.
pranic healer can definitely help you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Your issue
Thank
is healable. Please approach another healer.
Okay,
You can
fine.
approach
Thank you.
Richa ma'am itself. She's a very good healer. She's a very, very, very nice human being also.
And where can I get
Okay.
her contact number?
She's on the community healers group. You can find her there. She's one of the group experts there. She's also a Reiki grandmaster, among other
Okay.
things. So, yep, you can get a number from there, or
That's
you can just
not the
message me. I'll
reason
give you the
why I
number.
said, not for me. The reason I said that, ma'am, is because the issue that you're facing has to do with your complete makeup, the way you are. And it can be healed. If, for that matter, Sid is a pranic healer, Devishri is a crystal healer. So there are people surrounding you who can really help you.
Okay,
You need
fine.
not suffer.
I
is all
would
I'm saying.
definitely
Community
like to,
healers
I
पे
would
आइए, आपको
definitely
पूरा
like
मेनू
to
मिल
get-
जाएगा.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Actually, I'm not in India, so maybe time thoda sa dekhungi and accordingly I'll approach.
Yes, ma'am. You
No
can,
problem.
please.
Thank you so
By
much.
all means.
Thanks
Please
a lot,
take
sir.
care.
You're
Bye.
welcome.
Sir, I want to ask something.
Ma'am, we'll have to go with Nisha, then Dr. Swati, and then you. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Nisha, would you like to turn on your camera and go ahead?
Hi.
Hello.
Actually, I wanted to know, this has been a question since quite some time. My house number is 8. Like it is A1204. So I've read about it. So it comes out to be 8. My birth number is 8 and my destiny number is 6. So is this house really, good for me? Not that, it is already our own house, so we are not going to change it
No,
immediately.
A is coming, like that is in common, or it is only for your house? A कैसे
For the
है?
tower, for the tower. Like,
then it
so
is
the
not
house is
calculated.
identified by A1204.
So whatever
uniquely.
comes in common, we don't count that. Then it comes to 7. It is not like 8.
Your hand is
Okay,
not
so
raised.
12 becomes the floor, and then in the societies, it's like the one is floor, one is star. So
Only the
otherwise,
number
yeah.
which belongs to you is your number. The things which are in common, they are never calculated in numerology.
Okay.
Yeah. So that way, if I remove A, it is coming to 7, not 8. But what you can do, I can give you an advice. आप अपना जो number plate है ना, उसके चारे, I mean, just surround it with some red color. So it will not be very this thing. But then prominently, आपके पर 7 will not work, because number 7 house people, they are very aloof. They don't gel with other people. They're very much into spirituality and they love to stay alone. So it is not very good, na? So you
Yes,
can.
I think that kind of vibe actually comes in this house. I want to go out, but it's more like, it's more, yeah, you're actually right. In this house, I feel little like that only.
Put red color ka tape around the house ka number, and that will give you better results.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Guys, we're running short of time, so we have 3 people. One is Dr. Swati. Dr. Swati, please. There you are. Please go ahead. Then we'll go work with Preeti and then Gunjan. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है डॉक्टर स्वाति कोई आवाज नहीं आ रही है सॉरी आप अपना अगर क्वेश्चन चैट में लिखते हैं फिर मैं आपके लिए पूछ लूंगा can't hear you ma'am okay please do in chat my desktop doesn't support yeah but why don't you Sunanda why don't you just post a question in the chat, and I'll ask it on your behalf. Preeti, please go ahead.
Yes. My birth number is 8, destiny number is 1, and mobile number is 5. So is it good?
8 and 1 are enemy numbers. So thoda sa jholjal, there will be some ups and downs in life because they don't complement each other at all. They are hardcore enemies, 1 and 8. See, 1 is a good number, 8 is a struggling number. So both, आपको कभी you are getting success, at times you have to work hard. I mean, बहुत hard work करना पड़ता होगा. So, see, in this case, name correction is important.
Okay. So have to consult personally. Huh?
I keep thinking of that Govinda and Karishma Kapoor song every time somebody says, what is my number? And all that, if anybody remembers that song. Anyway, next we have Gunjan. Gunjan, you want to go ahead? Can't hear you. Sorry, can't hear you. So Dr. Swati has said her birth number is 5, destiny number is 6 or 33. I'm guessing, and her mobile number is 9. So I'm guessing she's asking you for comment.
So it's a good combination. 5 and 6 is a very good combination. Only advice is बहुत किसी के बात में नहीं आना है, because it is very easy to manipulate a 5 and 6 number person. And 9 is a good number to have, but not a very good number. It will give you lots of aggression, lots of speed. Lab का काम काफी अच्छा है, but your numbers are quite positive. You should, if you change your mobile number, you can get very good results. So 9, I would say it's a neutral number. I can't say 9 is a very good number, but yeah, it's a nice number to have, but not the best one according to your numbers.
Okay, guys, the last couple of questions. We've hit 5 o'clock. And if anyone, if you guys left out, please give Devashri a call and book a consult with her. Gunjan says, my birth number is 7, destiny is number 1, and phone is 7. Any comment on that, please?
So 1 and 7, it's a nice combination. But mobile number is not good for you. It will not give you lots of business. It will give you bit disappointments in your relationship, and not a very good number to have as a mobile number. So I've already told about 1 and 7. The combination is not bad. It's a nice combination, but not the very good one.
Agam says birth 2, destiny 9, phone 7.
This is a very not a good combination, because 2 and 9 are also the hardcore enemies. Not hardcore, but they are enemy numbers, because 2 is a very soft number, 9 is a very hyper number. At times, this kind of people, kabhi bahut emotion ho jate hai. At times, they get very irritating and chid nature hota hai unka. And the mobile number is also not good. And the name correction is also advisable for 1 and 7 and this 2 and 9.
Gunjan says, what if we have 2 properties?
So dono ka number we have to see na differently. However many properties you have, but you have to see the total of the property number.
Okay, Dipali says birth 9, destiny 2, phone 4.
See, 9 and 2 is same, and 4 is very, very, very bad. Rahu ka number hai na, we had seen prior 2020 how it was. So lots of ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs in life.
And finally, we have Nidhi with 3, 4, and 8. 3, 4, and then phones are 8 and 6.
See, keep the mobile number 6, but just avoid another number. And 3 and 4 is nice combination. Okay, not 4. Asif, I would say 4 hai, 7 hai, 8 are the malefic numbers. So they don't give you lots of good luck. And 2 and 9 are the neutral number, and rest are good.
Okay, guys, we'll shut it off here now. But I have, mera ek baar bata do. I am 3, 5, and 1.
Yeah, very good combination.
3, 5, and 1.
Excellent combination. Sir, you are sitting on top. Kya zarurat hai aapko bolne ka? 3 people are always very good. 5 is a very, jaise hota na, number, flexible number. They can gel with everyone, and 1 is very good. So it's a good number. But yeah, I don't know about your name, that I have to see, because name plays a very important role, even if the numbers are very good.
Right. I'm just sorry. There was this friend of mine. He couldn't make it. He's also very much into numerology. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. We've gone past 5 o'clock. If you
One
would like
advice that I
to-
just want to say one thing.
Please go on.
One thing I would like to give to all who have attended today's workshop, because itna mehnat karke, like they have attended, they have given their time to me and you and to this community. So I would like
जी.
to give something. जिसके भी प्रॉपर्टी में 478 आता है ना, तो उसको थोड़ा सा उस एनर्जी को कम करने के लिए यू कैन पुट अ रेड कलर का मार्क अराउंड द नंबर. यू कैन यूज द रेड टेप और द रेड पेंट. तो उनका जो मेलेफिक जो है प्रॉपर्टीज वो कम हो जाएंगे. इट विल deflate to some extent. So this is
Right.
I can say.
Got it.
Even for 2 you
8
can,
and 7.
because 2
1, 8 and
no for the property number 2, 4, 7 and 8.
2, 4, 7. Oh,
हाँ, जिसका भी properties coming total to 2, जिसका भी properties coming to 4, 7 or 8.
oh, nice.
The
Because
property
number
numbers 2,
also-
4, 7, 8. Putting a red
हाँ.
tape around the border of the
Yes.
plate or something like that will help.
Because 2 will give what the liquid flow में it creates a problem. पैसा आएगा जाएगा बहुत. So it's not a good number. If
Right.
I talk about the property, then.
Mhm. ठीक है, property. Please do not put red tape around yourself or anyone else. All right, cool, brilliant. Thanks so much, Devashri, for making it here. And Sana, please go ahead and ask your question in the Community Healers group and tag Devashri. I'm sure she'll answer you there. Anybody else with questions, you can always ask on the Community Healers group and tag her there. Of course, she will only be able to give you generic responses. And more detailed information, she'll need to do a one-to-one consult and spend some actual time on your question and the answer. So thanks so much, Devashri. And we'll upload this recording to our YouTube channel. If any closing words, and then we are done.
Yeah, thank you so much. Lots and lots of gratitude to you for giving this beautiful platform. And yeah, thank you so much.
You're very welcome,
To
man.
everyone जिसने सारा आज का पूरा session attend किया.
Thank you, Devashri.
All right,
It was
guys.
brilliant. Thank you.
See you then. Glad you enjoyed it, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Thank you.
Thank
you, Devashri.
Welcome.
Thank you, everyone.
See you, Sarika.
Thank you.